Networking is one of the first areas you'll be using on your Groov Epic unit. To access that information, first make sure you're logged into your Groov Epic as an administrator. From the Groov Manage home screen, select System and then Network. The first section you'll see is the host name. This is the factory default, but you can change it to a more meaningful name. Next is the information about the network interfaces, Ethernet 0 and Ethernet 1. Let's take a closer look at Ethernet 0. The MAC address is a unique identifier for the Groov Epic unit. The first 6 characters, which are 3 octets, identify this device as an Opto 22 device, and then the next 6 characters are uniquely set for this interface by the factory. No other device will have this MAC address. The link status indicates this interface is up or connected. If it says down, then it's not connected. The IPv4 method shows it's going to get the IP address automatically from a DHCP server, but you can manually set it or disable it. The IP address along with the subnet mask identifies the device so you can communicate to it over the network. The broadcast IP is the IP address that's set by your IT department and is used to send out a message to all devices that are connected to the network. The network options below show how the Groov Epic is set up to access the internet or other networks. If your DNS method and gateway method are set up for automatic, your Groov Epic will pick up the values that were set by your IT department for the network. You can also change them, as you can see here.